on country music star outfit, and he wore it to the after party, which I've always has, and then continued to wear it for weeks.
Well, not only for weeks, for the whole entire second half of the season.
Yes. And I had a friend of mine, then people started to tell me, I kept thinking he's going to drop it. So then weeks later, someone would say, I was at the Natural History Museum, and I saw Will Ferrell walking down the street in his country western costume.
I'll describe the outfit to you.
Yeah.
Wrangler jeans.
Yeah.
Like 1970s Nike track shoes. Western shirt with a down vest and a trucker's cap. And I was playing Jerry Reed.
Yep. From the Smokey and the Bandit movie, and great musician.
In a sketch that for some reason, you remember how the shooting days when at SNL, we had a pre-tape, but we shot part of it in the first part of the day, and we weren't shooting the second part till the next, so I decided I'm just going to hang out my Jerry Reed costume all day during rehearsal. And whatever, but then I decided to wear it to the after party. Then I wear it to the pitch meeting the following Monday. And then it was this writer, Tom Giannis, who was like, because there was a run of 3 shows, like, please wear it for the next show, too. So I started wearing it show week number 2, then show week number 3, and I thought, okay, this was funny enough. And it was Tom was like, please wear it for the rest of the year. It'll be so inspirational. And I'm like, you're right, Tom, I have to do this. I don't know why this was a badge of honor.
Yeah.
So I'm like, there's no reason not to. And it became this beautiful comedy litmus test. And it would get funnier and funnier and funnier to people. Other people would be like, the other people who were more of the staff would be like, would you stop? What's wrong with you?
Right.
Now, I didn't wear it consecutively. I would launder it on occasion. Yeah. But for the most part, I wore it from February to May.
Yes.
Yeah. And at one point, I had Alec Baldwin was hosting, and he said, are those your normal clothes? Is this an outfit you normally wear? And I don't know how to explain this to you. But no, this is like a long-running joke. He's like, good, because it's not a good look for you.
And I could see him with those eyes, piercing eyes.
And he was giving me like brotherly advice. And I go, oh no, I know it's not, but once again, that became a thing where, I gotta keep wearing it. And finished out the year wearing the Jerry Reed outfit.
You also did something that no one's ever done before, which I loved. Again, I'm doing my show.
I'm trying to remember.
I'm doing my show.
What it will be.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I think you will remember.
Okay.
I'm doing my show down on late night, and at the late night show, and again, we're just a couple of floors.
Yeah, you guys are on the 6th floor.
6th floor, and so you came to us, and you said, I have a funny idea, and I don't think they like it Saturday Night Live, but I could do it on your show. And we said, sure. And, we're doing an hour a night.
Yeah.
And so you played a character called Scrub-a-Dub.
Oh, no, this was written by Adam McKay.
It was written by Adam McKay, the great Adam McKay.
Yeah.
You played Scrub-a-Dub.
Right.
And Adam McKay wrote it.
Yeah.
And so you guys came to us, it was both of you, and said, can we do it on your show? And we were like, it was someone saying, do you want a Bugatti? Yes, we want a Bugatti. You guys came, and Scrub-a-Dub, it's hard to describe, but he's like a Mr. Clean.
Obnoxious Mr. Clean.
He's an obnoxious Mr. Clean who's out of control.
Yeah.
And it was a sketch where we're going to have a website soon where you can look up all the old stuff in high resolution. And this is
But it was kind of like a running ad throughout your show.
It was a running ad.
Live ad.
You kept interrupting, and I would move on. You'd say, I'm Scrub-a-Dub, and I think you were bald, and you had the muscular Mr. Clean outfit. Yep. And then I would say, okay, well, that's great, Scrub-a-Dub, and I would move on, and then you'd be in the corner, and you'd be playing craps with dice, and you'd be yelling, come on, love me, my lady tonight, Scrub-a-Dub. And it got violent.
Yep.
It got out of control.
At one point, I was spray painting on the set.
You were spray painting.
Yeah.
You kept interrupting.
Yeah.
So here's the great thing about it. No one had told Lorne. No one had asked Lorne's permission.
Because we didn't know.
We didn't know anything. We're all kids.
Yeah,
we're all kids.
Exactly.
And we're all just doing, well, this is funny. They wouldn't do it on Saturday Night Live, so we'll do it here.
We'll just bring it down.
And the next thing we get this call from Lorne. who's executive producing our show.
Yeah.
But he doesn't know that.
Sure.
If we just get this call, which is like, if you're going to use my people, would you let me? And I think you got a talking to.
Yeah, I did too.
You got a talking to, and I think Adam